Hey guys! In today's video, I'll be reviewing the top 8 best action cameras. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to rank them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to know about the best pricing and more information, you can check the description links below. Number 8 in my list is GoPro Max Action Camera. If you only want to shoot traditional action camera footage, that is, non-360 video, at the best possible quality, then the GoPro Hero 8 Black and Hero 9 Black remain better choices. But if you like the sound of being able to reframe your videos after they've been shot and are looking for great audio quality, then the Max is well worth considering. GoPro's most expensive action camera uses two fisheye lenses to shoot spherical 5.6K video, which you can later crop into standard 2D video using overcapture software. It's also packed with features including 6 microphone audio, which records excellent audio, if not quite up to the level of GoPro's shotgun mic claims, shooting modes like time warp, and built-in mounting fingers to ensure you don't need an extra mount to attach it to anything. The downsides are the fact that it doesn't offer the best 2D video quality due to the need to convert it from a fisheye image and the max 1440 by 60 pixels resolution, and that it can't quite match the Hero 8 Black or Hero 9 Black in low light situations. But it remains the best waterproof 360-degree action camera around. Number 7 in my list is Insta361R Action Camera. The GoPro Hero 9 Black may offer handy add-ons, but the Insta361R is a properly modular action camera, comprised of a battery, control, and camera block. This means you can switch the latter at will to suit your shooting situation, choosing between a 4K action cam and a 360-degree camera. There's even a 1-inch sensor block. See the Insta361R 1-inch edition at number 2. But does this base model deliver on its promise of being 3 cameras in one? In many ways, yes. Clipped together, the 1R is only slightly larger than the Hero 8 Black and feels surprisingly sturdy, though you need to fit the mounting case to make it water resistant. Image quality is also sharp and relatively stable, with good detail in darker areas. In other ways, though it's less successful, we found that the image processing, at least on the 4K module, couldn't match the Hero 8 Black or Hero 9 Black, while the 1.3-inch touchscreen is too small for framing 16:9 footage. It's worth remembering, though, that the dual lens bundle costs less than the GoPro Max alone. For that, you get a modular approach that's flexible and well executed, delivering great 4K video and solid 360-degree footage. Provided software updates can iron out some of the processing issues, the Insta361R is well worth a look for those who want to tinker with both 360 video and standard action cam footage. Number 6 in my list is GoPro Hero 9 Black Action Camera. It's now been succeeded by the Hero 10 Black, but the Hero 9 Black is still worth considering if you don't need the absolute latest features, like 4K by 120 pixels video or an improved front screen. Given that the price difference between the two models isn't huge, we think the Hero 10 is worth the extra cost for its improved usability. But this model has the same sensor, design, and most of the same features. These include the option of shooting 5K video, which we found to have excellent detail, courtesy of a 23-megapixel sensor that debuted on this model. You also get a handy front color display, albeit one that's a little more laggy than the one on the Hero 10, and the option of Hyper Smooth Boost, GoPro's strongest stabilization in all shooting modes. The Hero 9 is super versatile too, thanks to power tools that include scheduled captures, setting a time for it to start recording, and hindsight for capturing action that happened 15 to 30 seconds before you hit the shutter. But the Hero 10 is more polished and versatile, thanks to its new processor and shooting modes. Number 5 in my list is DJI Osmo Action 3 Standard Action Camera. It can't compete with the GoPro Hero 11 Black on outright image quality, but the DJI Osmo Action 3 represents fantastic value. Pairing the guts of the Action 2 with the classic action cam styling of the original, it's a tough tool with strong battery life and decent video skills. Waterproofing to 16 meters gives the DJI solid diving credentials, while its 155-degree field of view is wider than any GoPro's. That expansive angle does cause the Action 3 challenges when balancing exposure across the frame. Detail and dynamic range are also beaten by the best, but it still produces attractive footage in bright conditions. Horizon leveling is also excellent for the price, even if adjustment judder is visible in dim scenes. DJI's software interface features fewer flourishes than the Hero 11 Black, but we found it nicely intuitive, while the Memo app actually seemed more reliable than GoPro's quick equivalent. The front touchscreen was handy when shooting solo, while its mounting system proved usefully quick to switch, even if the portrait case isn't as versatile as the Hero 11 Black's 8:7 sensor. Provided you don't need the very best video quality available, the Action 3 is a robust and reliable choice. Number 4 in my list is GoPro Hero 11 Black Action Camera. GoPro's latest flagship doesn't dramatically raise the bar for image quality, but thanks to a new 1x1.9" sensor, the Hero 11 Black is GoPro's most versatile action camera yet. Its 8:9 aspect ratio lets you easily export content in formats to fit different social channels without compromising on quality. The updated sensor unlocks a super wide hyperview lens as well as horizon lock in some video modes. Shoot at 5.3K and 30 pixels with a linear lens, and it'll keep scenes levels through 360 degrees, a feature we found very impressive in testing. At 5.3K by 60 pixels and 4K by 120 pixels, maximum video resolutions are the same as the GoPro Hero 10 Black. What's new is a 10-bit color mode, which offers useful flexibility for editors who want to grade in post. Maximum bit rates have also been boosted to 120 Mbps, helping it better handle complex scenes. Live streaming is still limited to 1080 pixels, and low light performance leaves plenty to be desired. But with an Enduro battery now included as standard, plus a 5.3K time warp setting, we found the GoPro Hero 11 Black a truly feature-packed action camera. It proved a polished companion in testing, balancing pro tricks with a user-friendly interface, all wrapped up in tough, pocket-friendly packaging. Number 3 in my list is Insta361R 1-inch edition action camera. Already a proven rival to GoPro's Hero series, the modular Insta361R is now available with a sizable 1-inch sensor. And our tests, we found that this gives it low light abilities that are brighter, cleaner, and more detailed than its GoPro rivals, plus a native dynamic range that's better than any other action camera. Its raw stills are impressive, while videos are sharp and punchy in both 5.23K and 25 pixels and 4K and 60 pixels modes. That said, we also found that GoPro's processing powers are more effective overall, with video from the Insta361R suffering from shimmer and fizz in detailed areas. The 1R also lacks the point-and-shoot simplicity of a GoPro, with more sluggish software when it comes to exporting. All the same, the Insta361R produces some of the best stills and video you can get from an action camera. Its 1-inch sensor also handles the crop of image stabilization better than most. A flexible 5K camera with solid low-light skills, the Insta361R is one of the best action cameras around. Number 2 in my list is Akaso Brave 7 LE action camera. The Brave 7 LE offers an incredible range of features for its price. If a front-facing screen and weather sealing are more important to you than outright video quality, then it should certainly be high on your shortlist. In our tests, this model's audio quality was better than any other non-GoPro we've reviewed, in quieter environments anyway, and it has a fantastically intuitive touchscreen interface. The only slight downer is that the video quality, while decent at 4K resolution, doesn't quite match the rest of the Brave 7 LE's features. It leans heavily on noise reduction in lower light, giving your footage a soft quality, while the electronic image stabilization is decent rather than class-leading. Still, for the price, it's undoubtedly one of the best action cams out there, and unrivaled in terms of the amount of features it packs in for the price. Number 1 in my list is GoPro Hero 10 Black Action Camera. GoPro's latest flagship isn't a huge leap over its predecessor, but if you're looking for the most polished, powerful action camera around, this is it. The Hero 10 Black's key upgrade is its new GP2 processor, which unlocks a range of useful features. We found some of those, like its ability to shoot 4K and 120 pixels video, to be genuinely impressive, while others, like its far more responsive touchscreen, felt like fixes for the Hero 9 Black's flaws. The result is an action camera that's more versatile and fun to use than its predecessor, and a waterproof companion that's ideal for capturing outdoor adventures or vlogging videos in 4K. GoPro's highest quality hyper-smooth stabilization, which is now available in more shooting modes. Alright guys, this was our today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for our amazing upcoming videos. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the updated price of all products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.